Staring at the frames, nothing changed in my old room. The music never left, but I guess that I had to. Ooh, style on the wall, where you been, where you from, dude? It's been too long, too long.
Hey guys, welcome back. I know I sound weird because I got the cold, so I'm going to try to make this intro very short. So today's video is a collaboration with my beautiful girl Rabia Nunez. You know that I did a lot of collaborations so far with her, so we thought to do something gold, and I came up with this gold cut crease. I know her makeup look is a little bit more wearable, you know, so I wanted to, I don't know, to be creative, so I came up with this beautiful cut crease, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to link her video down below, so go watch her video as well and subscribe to her channel, why not? So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, if you watch my videos, you know that I love the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as my eyeshadow primer, so I already have that on my eyes. And from the Juvia palette, I'm going to use the Zulu palette, I'm going to use this yellow for my transition shade, and I'm going to build that color. Next, I'm going with this beautiful pink, but as you can see, it's not that bright on my eyes. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm going to build that color as well, and I'm going to shape it like a cat winged eye, if that makes sense. Cat eye, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to grab my Dream Street palette, and I'm going to use this color. This is called Elfish, if I'm not wrong, and I'm going to follow that pink shade, and I'm going to create like cat eye, as I said earlier. And also I'm going to grab again the pink shade and mix these colors together and blend them to look seamless. With my white concealer, I'm going to cut the crease, but I'm not going to do a full cut crease. You'll see in a second what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to paint a line as my cut crease, if that makes sense, but you'll see what I'm trying to say right here. And then I'm going to go again with that yellow shade, and I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer.
The music never left, but I guess that I had to. Ooh, style on the wall, where you been, where you from, dude? It's been too long, too long. Real name, what's your real name? You can be whatever you want, so when it's
And because it wasn't as yellow and as bright as I wanted to be, I'm repeating again the same step. So I'm going again with the white concealer on top of that yellow shade, and then I'm going to go again with that yellow shade on top. Next, I'm going to clean my cut crease, like just below where I created that yellow line, because I'm going to apply concealer and I want the concealer to be white. If I'm going to apply concealer right on top of these colors, my concealer, it will look kind of pink, and I don't want that. You know what I mean? And next I'm going to cut the crease again, and I'm going to take my time because I want that yellow line to be as even as possible. So take your time, babes, take your time. And I think this is like a double cut crease makeup look. I don't know exactly.
all your stage. Rearrange, chasing loose change, so you'll never know where it takes you, but you can't stand. It's so strange when you can't.
As a base for my yellow pigment, I'm going to use Primavera from the Anastasia palette. What palette is this? oh my god, I forgot the name. Anyway, so I apply that right on top of the concealer because I want that to be my base. Next, I'm going to go with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply that all over where I applied Primavera. And then I'm going to go with my Kathleen Lights and ColourPop pigment. This is in the shade Lion, and I'm going to apply that all over the crease. And you'll see how gorgeous this is. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to zoom that right here. Wow. Very quick, I'm going to do the face makeup because I don't want this video to be too long. Already is long, but yeah. So I used my Catrice primer. Next, I'm going to go with my Benefit one because I want those effing lines to disappear. But yeah, anyway, for my foundation, I'm using my Conceal and Perfect from Milani. I've been loving this foundation, wow, so much lately. I'm using this daily, like to go to work. This is amazing, looks so natural on the skin. Anyway, for concealer, I'm using the Born This Way concealer. Also, this is my favorite right now. I love this so much. And to set that, I'm going to use my Veil powder from Hourglass. You know that I love this as well, so I'm using products that I love. You know what I'm saying?
At the frames, nothing changed in my old room. The music never left, but I guess
to bronze my face, I'm going to use Hula from Benefit. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this because it's too pigmented for my liking, but I really like the color. And on top of that, I'm going to go with Baked Bronzer from Milani. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit glowy and it looks so beautiful on the skin. I do recommend this one if you want a little bit of J-Lo glow, you know what I'm saying. And for my highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty highlight. And then I'm going to set my face, and let's go back to the eyes. On my under eyes, I'm going to use on my bottom lash line, under eyes anyway, I'm going to start with the pink shade from the Zulu palette. Then I'm going to go with that dark shade from the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to apply just a little bit. And to blend everything out, I'm going with this yellow shade again. And I think my eyes are complete. I applied a little bit of mascara, as you can see, and also I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with the same Fenty Beauty highlight. For my lashes, I'm going to use these Lavio lashes. These are in the style Kyoto, and I love them so much. To complete this makeup look, first I'm going to line my lips with this Essence lip liner, and right on top of that I'm going to apply this BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen lipstick. I love this formula so much and the color is so beautiful, but the formula is amazing. And you will see in a second that my right eye was super shady, very watery that day because I was super sick, and yeah, my eye, look at that. Anyway, I had to redo the cut crease, like the shimmery part, but yeah, that's that.
I've been running laps at the track of my old school. I've been running past all the has-been too soon.
Okay, so this is the final look. As you saw, this eye was super watery. I had to redo the cut crease, like where I applied the pigment, because it was super messed up. And also the lash doesn't want to stick anymore right here, and that's a sign that I need to end this video and go wash my face, because as you can see and hear, I'm super sick, so I'm not going anywhere. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed our collaboration. As I said in the intro, we wanted to do a very gold makeup look, so I'm so happy that I had this pigment from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights, because this is so beautiful. So yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Oh my god, I don't know how to do my outro anymore. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Jesus.